Hello students, today we will start the new chapter that is measurement. So the word measurement you are familiar with in your earlier classes. So why measurement is used, what is measurement? Suppose here given the weight, height of each student is recorded. So it is the weight is recorded in kg, height is recorded in meter, centimeter, all these things. Okay, so you have read these things in your earlier classes, right? So we will see more details about measurement in this chapter. Okay, so let's go in details. So in the next page, what is given here? So here given, we already know the following about the metric measures. So metric measures are measured in units of 10, 100 and 1000 so on. So it is measured in these terms. Okay, all metric measures have a number and the unit of measure. Understood? So there should be some number and should be some unit to measure it. The metric system is based on the decimal system. Okay, it is based on decimal system. So these are the three basic points. So this is the recap exercise which you have done in your earlier classes. So we will not see this. Okay, so we will proceed to our main thing which you are given in this chapter. So we have learnt about the metric measures in our earlier classes. So meter, gram and liter are standard unit of length, mass and capacity. Okay, understood? So meter, gram and liter, they are the standard units of what? Meter is for length. Okay, this is length. Gram is for mass and this liter is for capacity. Okay, so these three are the standard units of length, mass and capacity. So we have to study all these things. There are other units of metric measures to measure smaller lengths. Okay, so to measure the smaller lengths, masses and capacities, there are other units also. Larger units are used to measure larger lengths, masses and capacities. So there are smaller units and larger units. So larger units are used. So there is a definite relationship among the various units of metric measures. Okay, so what are the relationship between the measures? We put different prefixes to the standard units of metric measures. So prefix means the word which comes before any other word and change the meaning. The most commonly used prefixes are deca, kilo and hecto. So these three prefixes, that means these three units are higher units. Okay, these three are very important. These units are used for higher units. And deci, centi and milli are lower units. Okay, so these six are main units. Deca, kilo and hecto are the higher units. Deci, centi and milli are the lower units. So units are very important in maths as well as in science. So you have to remember all the units properly, how to convert the units properly. You have to remember everything and what are the relationship between the units. So here given one by one, measurement is length. So length unit is what? Standard unit is meter. And it in day-to-day life, how it is used. So standard unit is meter, but many other units are also used. That means mm. Mm means millimeter. Cm means centimeter. M means meter. This is the standard unit. Then km means kilometer. So in day-to-day life, these four are generally used. Then weight. Weight means mass. So it is, and the standard unit of weight is gram. So in day-to-day life, what are units that is used? Mg. Mg means milligram. Gram means this gram. Then kg means kilogram. So you already know all these things. Now capacity. Capacity standard unit is liter. And day-to-day life we use ml. Ml means milliliter. L means liter. Okay, so these three measurements and units are very important and they will be used in every class in maths and science. Okay, so now here you can see the place value chart of the standard units are given. The higher units and the lower units. See here, kilo, hecto and deca. So here it was given deca, kilo, hecto. These are the higher units. So higher units are given in this side in the place value chart, and lower units deci, centi and milli are given here in this side, deci, centi and milli. Okay, so you have to make the place value chart. You have made in your earlier classes also, in this chapter also, this place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, then lakh, like this. So you have to make here up to 1000, because we have up to 1000 only. This tens, then 100, then 1000. Then after ones, what is it? This is decimal point. Okay, this is the border. Okay, after this tenth come. Tenth means 1 by tenth. Hundredth means 1 by 100. Thousandth, that means 1 by 1000. So up to here. Here also 1000, here also 1000. But it is in divide form. So prefixes are kilo, hecto and deca, deci, centi, milli. So in length, measurement of length, how it is used. So in measurement of length, you can see the higher unit among the higher units, the highest unit is kilometer. That means this is the greatest unit of length here. Okay, so kilometer, then comes hectometer, this hecto plus meter, hectometer, then deca plus meter, decameter. So symbols are given here, km, hm and dm. Then the middle one is what? Meter. Okay, fourth one. After that, the lower unit started. So these are the main border units, the main standard unit. That's why they are in the middle. Okay, this side the higher units and this side the lower units. So you have to understand it very properly. So after the meter, the lower unit start, that is decimeter, decimeter, dm, then centimeter, cm, then millimeter, mm. The lowest unit is millimeter. Now in measurement of mass, that is weight, the highest unit is what? Kilogram, kg, hectogram, hgc. All are same, prefixes are same on the meter, gram. Then decagram, dag. Then the middle one is gram, the standard unit. Then lower unit start decigram, centigram, cg, milligram, mg. Then measurement of capacity. Capacity, the highest unit is kiloliter, that means scale. Then comes hecto, this hectoliter, hl. Then decaliter, dal. Then the standard unit is liter, the middle one. Then the lower units deciliter, dl, centiliter, cl, milliliter, ml. So in this way, the place value chart can be written. So you have to remember that in one place, all the standard units are written. You have to remember this. So in the left hand side, all the higher units are written, and the right hand side, all the lower units are written. Understood? In this way, you have to make the chart in solving the questions. So one example is given, you can see here. So here a question will be given like this: 5 kilometer, 6 hectometer h, decameter. So you have to put in the proper places according to the place value. So 5 kilometer means kilometer is here. So 5 we will put here. 6 hm. So hecto means h 6. 4 dm. So you will put here 4. Then 4 meter. Meter means this one in the ones place standard unit. Then after lower unit start. 2 dm. Dm means decimeter. So here 2. 3 cm. So 3 cm is centimeter. Then 7 mm the millimeter. 7 mm. In this way. Okay. Then 7 kg. So kg will be 7 here. 2 hg. Hecto. 2 will be here. 3 dag. 3 will be here. Then after directly 3 dg come. That means the gram is not there. So that's why gram is 0. Then decigram comes. Deci means this one 5. After that no lower units. That's why they are 0 0. Now here kilo capacity 4 kiloliter. So 4 here. 8 HL hectoliter 8 here. 7 decaliter 7 here. 3 liter. So standard unit 3 in the middle. 2 DL. So 2 deciliter here. 4 CL. 4 centiliter here. 5 ml. 5 ml here. Okay, understood? In this way you have to write the questions in the place value. So in the next page, what is given? So exercise started in next page. So we will see the exercise in the next video. Okay, till then study the all the units properly, all the place value chart properly. Okay, thank you.